Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey, a journey that delves deep into the art of becoming irresistibly attractive. We're not just talking about skin-deep beauty. We're uncovering the secrets that make you truly captivating, both inside and out. Becoming attractive is a multifaceted journey that extends far beyond physical appearance. While external features can catch the eye, actual attractiveness emanates from within, encompassing qualities and behaviors that create a captivating and magnetic presence. Whether you're seeking to enhance your relationships, boost your self-esteem, or simply radiate a positive aura, here are some fundamental principles to consider on your path to becoming genuinely attractive. 1. Cultivate self-confidence. Confidence is undeniably alluring. Embrace your strengths and quirks, and let your self-assured demeanor shine. Confidence comes from acknowledging your worth, setting achievable goals, and celebrating your accomplishments. The way you carry yourself and speak about your aspirations can leave a lasting impression on others. 2. Embrace positive body language. Nonverbal communication speaks volumes. Maintain eye contact, offer genuine smiles, and stand or sit with an open posture. Positive body language signals approachability, confidence, and genuine interest in others. 3. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial. Prioritize proper nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Feeling good on the inside reflects on the outside, contributing to your overall attractiveness. 4. Develop active listening skills. Engage in meaningful conversations by actively listening to others. Show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings, ask open-ended questions, and avoid interrupting. Being a good listener creates a deeper connection and demonstrates your attentiveness and empathy. 5. Showcase a positive attitude. A positive outlook is contagious. Focus on the bright side of situations, express gratitude, and approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. Your optimism can uplift those around you and draw them closer. 6. Embody kindness and empathy. Treating others with kindness and empathy creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Show genuine concern for others' well-being and offer a helping hand whenever possible. Your consideration and compassion will be remembered long after your interactions. 7. Pursue your passions. Having hobbies and interests not only enrich your life but also make you more intriguing. Passionate individuals exude an infectious enthusiasm that captivates those around them. Sharing your passions can spark engaging conversations and forge deeper connections. 8. Continuously learn and grow. Embrace a growth mindset by seeking opportunities for self-improvement. Acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge, and stepping out of your comfort zone demonstrate your commitment to personal growth, which is inherently attractive. 9. Practice authenticity. Be true to yourself and let your authentic self shine. Authenticity fosters genuine connections, as people are drawn to those who are unapologetically themselves. Embrace your uniqueness and confidently express your thoughts and opinions. 10. Foster positive relationships. Nurturing healthy relationships with friends, family, and partners is essential. Supportive and respectful connections enhance your attractiveness by showcasing your ability to connect and contribute positively to others' lives. 11. Dress for confidence. Wearing clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable can significantly impact how you present yourself. Choose outfits that reflect your personality and style, allowing you to express yourself with authenticity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who may benefit from this empowering message. Stay healthy and take care.